Hello everyone, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. We've got this 2019 Hyper Red Metallic Kia Sportage. It's a 2-litre CRDi EcoDynamics GT line. It's currently at 32,632 miles and it is a diesel automatic with a full dealership service history. Lovely car, as you can see. Comes with the panoramic glass sunroof, electric sliding sunroof with the silver roof rails. Not only that, it comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels, B-type. To show you all the alloys so you can have a good look. And there's the third one and the fourth one. Really nice alloy wheels. Not only that, it comes with the tinted rear windows and the tailgate. Like I mentioned, it does come with a full dealership service history. So it's got 2 service stamps just there. I will post these service stamps on the actual Auto Trader page, and it's also got a Kia first body inspection service stamp just there from Kia. Like I say, full dealership service history. Not only that, it comes with the auto dimming rear view mirrors with the auto headlight control. Also includes the auto dimming rear view mirrors with the blind spot collision warning feature, which is a really nice feature of the car. It also includes front and rear parking sensors. It also has a front camera just there, which I'll show you in a second, and a reverse camera just there. And it has a side camera on the left and right, which I'll show you. Really nice. Has parking guidelines as well. Not only that, it comes with the electronic wing mirrors, electronic windows. Also has a folding mechanism just there. Storage compartment, JBL speakers, so the sound system is amazing in this car. Electronic adjustable seats, working perfectly fine, as you can see. Not only that, it has the carbon black leather seats with the red stitching. Really nice feature of the car. Like I mentioned before, it does come with the panoramic sunroof, lane departure warning, and a blind spot collision warning, and a power tailgate, and a start and stop button. Not only that, it comes with a flat bottom multifunction GT line steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control, lane departure warning with a speed limiter function. Not only that, it has gear shift paddles here and here, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Not only that, it has a lovely display center cluster instrument, which, as you can see, 32,652 miles. Not only that, it comes with a 360 camera, which I'll just show you now. As you can see, it's got the reversing camera with parking guidelines, a 360 bird's eye view camera, a full reversing camera, a side view, and the other side view, which is a really nice feature of the vehicle. Not only that, it comes with the phone integration, sat-nav navigation. I'll just show you the map. As you can see there, really nice feature. Also includes DAB, FM and AM. Not only that, it comes with the air conditioning with 3 cool seats with 3 different settings, and heated seats with 3 different settings, and a heated steering wheel. All working perfectly fine, all working perfect order. Keyless push to start. Yeah, really nice car, plenty of spec. Not only that, it comes with the 2 12-volt plug socket, USB port, 2 cup holders, automatic transmission, differential lock, driving mode, as you can see there. So a few different modes. So there's sport and normal, which is a really nice feature. A lovely carbon black leather armrest with the red stitching all the way around. Like I said, it does come with 2 keys. And I'll just show you the sunroof working in perfect order. No faults in the system, as you can see, working perfectly fine. There you go. I will open it for the time being so it lets more light in. But yeah, really nice feature, especially in the summer on a warm summer's day. There you go. Working perfectly fine, as you can see. There you go. Really nice car. I'll just show you the back. As you can see, it comes with the rear privacy glass, and a really nice feature of the back, it has heated seats with 2 different functions at this side and the other side. Electronic windows work perfectly fine. Plenty of leg space, as you can see. Ice-fix seats, caramel black leather seats with the red stitching and the 2-cup holder armrest. Nice addition to the car. Like I say, the panoramic, the glass sunroof, really nice feature of the car. Like I did mention, it does come with a powered tailgate, working perfectly fine. No faults in the system. There you go. Like I said, there is plenty of boot space. The valet's done a great job looking after the vehicle. Plenty of storage space. Yeah, really nice family car, if you ask me. There you go. There's another look at the boot. Power tailgate working perfectly fine. There you go. Stunning vehicle. There's a final look at the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.